Hey guys, I'm James, and welcome back to the Dyna City Garage. Today we have some historic news. Dyna City has a reputation for quality parts and support for all your vintage Japanese needs, as well as some pretty great kit for classic modern triumphs. We've helped you speed freaks put together everything from choppers to race bikes. But for the first time in Dyna City's history, we are proud to announce the arrival of Harley-Davidson parts. Now, the Harley segment is massive, and Dyna City doesn't do half-ass. So we're going to start with support for two of the most popular, enduring models, the venerable Sportster and the Dyna. With over 400 products out of the gate and a ton more to come in 2020, we are absolutely thrilled to get some American iron in our lives. Now, the top brass here rides a cool as hell retired police road king, and I was born and raised in Milwaukee. So it's in my blood, and I am absolutely stoked to get back to my moto roots. From tanks to handlebars to maintenance parts, our goal is to help you keep these old hogs on the road where they belong. As most of you know, we have a blog where we feature some of our customers' top builds. Now that we've crossed over to the dark side, you'll be seeing more articles and features highlighting these freedom machines, and I can't wait to see some killer twins you guys come up with. We're all excited to bring our brand of fun to the Harley-Davidson scene and look forward to working with the vintage Harley community for years to come. So head over to Dyna City Cycles today and see what we have for your prize pig. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time in the Dyna City Garage. Hey, you! Do all this crap down here, alright? Be sure to watch these videos right over here. And be sure to check out DynaCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.